Turing machine for the same. We'll take one example, and with the help of that example, we'll try to understand well-formedness. Design the Turing machine. Blank, blank, blank. Now we'll start with the step. We'll start with the step. Okay. Now, as I said, we always start with the Q0 is the initial state where your head is at the first symbol. Head is at the first symbol. Now, if we are getting the opening bracket, what we have to do? We have to skip the opening bracket. Second opening bracket skip. So the number of opening brackets we will get, we have to skip all that opening brackets. So can I draw the self loop for it? Yes. So if we are getting opening bracket, replace it with opening bracket and move to right. That is what your skip is. Opening bracket, keep it as it is and right. Keep it as it is and right. So head will here now for the closing. Now we are getting the closing bracket. So if we are getting closing bracket, replace it with X. Closing bracket, replace it with X. And change the direction. Towards the left. So we are moving to Q1 by closing bracket, replacing closing bracket with the X and changing the direction of the head. Now the head will point towards here. Okay. Now we are getting the opening bracket. Opening bracket. So what we have to do? Opening bracket. We have to again make it X, because for closing bracket we made X. Now immediate opening bracket we should make it as a X. Blank. Sorry. Now we'll check this. Okay. So first opening skip. So all opening skip. We are getting closing. So closing, mark it as a X and left. Closing, mark it as a X and change the direction toward the left. So left towards the left. Left, we are finding the opening bracket. Opening bracket, we have to make it as a X and change the direction. Opening bracket, we have to make X and change the direction towards the right. Okay. Opening bracket, make it as X and change the direction to the right. Okay. Now, right, we are getting X. So we have to skip the X. So this X skipping, we will write here. Keep X and move right. This X, keep X, move to right. Now right hand side, we are getting the opening. So we'll skip opening brackets. Now we are getting the closing bracket. Closing bracket, mark it as a X. Closing bracket, mark it as a X and change the direction towards the left. Q1, change the direction to the left. Now left, if we are getting the opening as a X and right. Opening as a X and change the direction towards the right. Now right, we are getting the X. Q0, we are getting the X. X, we have to skip X and right. Skip X right. We are getting closing. Closing, mark it as a X and left. Closing, mark it as a X and change the direction towards the left. Left, we are getting X. So we are not getting opening. So we are getting X. So we have to mark X as a X and left. X as it is left. X as it is left. We are getting the opening. So Q1 opening, will say replace it with X and right. We are at the Q0. we are getting x, skip x, q0, skip x, q0, skip x, x, skip, skip. We are getting blank, skip, skip, right, and we are getting blank. So if we are getting blank, blank as it is, as I said, change the direction. Blank as it is and change the direction. Blank as it is and change the direction towards the left. Towards the left. So it will be Q2. It will be Q2. So left, still we have not reached to the conclusion. So X, we have to skip. X, we have to skip. So at Q2, we have to skip all X. X and direction is left. Skip X, skip X, skip X, X. So on the left hand side, if we are getting this blank, we'll say blank as it is. So we'll say blank, blank as it is, and say no operation. This Q3 will be the final state. Q3 will be the final state. So right hand side we are not getting any blank. On the left hand side we are right hand side we are not getting any closing bracket. And again on the left hand side we are not getting any closing opening bracket. So it means that there is no remaining opening and closing. So it means that it is a well formed parenthesis. So we'll just apply this for the not well formed parentheses. So I think this logic is somewhat clear. We'll just check with some another example, so that we will understand. So as we have taken this, okay, open, 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 close, and close. Suppose this is the parenthesis. Now we have to check whether this is a well form or not. Okay, head is at the initial position. Opening Q0, opening bracket, Q0, opening bracket, skip opening bracket to the Q0 only. Next opening bracket, Q0, next opening bracket, Q0 itself, self loop, skip. Now we are getting closing. So Q0, make closing as a X and the change the direction. Make this closing as a X and change the direction. So it will be here. Okay. So now it is on the state Q1. It is on the state Q1. Now Q1, we are getting the opening. Q1, we are getting the opening. So make this opening as a X. Q1, we are getting opening as a X and moving to Q0 again. By changing the direction towards the right. Changing the direction towards the right. So at Q0, we are again at this here. After making it X, change the direction towards the right, we are X. Now here we are getting X. This we have to skip at Q0. So X as it is, right. We are getting closing bracket. So Q0 to closing bracket, by making it X, it is moving to Q1. By changing the direction towards the left. By changing the direction towards the left. Okay, Q1. Now Q1 we are getting X. So this X we have to skip. So Q1 to Q1 itself by skipping X. Second X, Q1 to Q1 by skipping X. Left. So on the left hand side, we are getting the opening bracket. So opening bracket, we are making X. We are making X and changing the direction towards the right. Q1, we are making opening as a X and changing direction towards the right. So right, now head will point towards here. Head will point towards here. So X, Q0X, skip X, Q0X, skip X, Q0X, skip X. Okay, and here we will get blank. At Q0, we will get this blank. By skipping all X on the right hand side, we are getting this blank. So Q0 blank, keep this blank as it is and left. Change the direction. Keep this blank as it is and change the direction towards the left. Okay. Now we are reaching to the Q2. Q2, left X, keep X as it is and left. Q2, left, skip, skip, skip. Here we are getting the opening bracket. By moving the left hand side at Q2, we are not getting blank, we are getting the opening bracket. Okay, at Q2, we are not getting blank, we are getting opening bracket. So what it means, there is no path. What it means, it will stop. That's what it is. It will not accept that input. Okay, so this is what the Turing machine to check the well-formedness of the parentheses. Well-formedness of the parentheses. Remember, Turing machine is a finite automata, DFA. It is a deterministic finite automata. Means for single input, it will always move to the single state. Always remember, for single input, it will always move to the single state. And when there is no path, means at Q2, we don't have the path for the opening bracket, as this condition says. So we are not showing that part. Means what? Your machine will halt. Your machine will stop. So this is the Turing machine. This is the Turing machine for checking the well-formedness of